Chicken is mine.
I'm worried about what my kids eat. The labels are confusing. All natural, non-GMO. What do they all mean? USDA organic is the only label backed by the United States with only eco-friendly pest control and no GMOs. It sometimes costs a little more because it guarantees a lot more. Certified USDA organic is the closest thing to growing your own food for your family.
Okay.
Running a business is more legal than you think. Luckily, LegalZoom is your help. Whether you're registering a business or registering a trademark, need a legal help? Turn to LegalZoom. Low blood glucose type 2 diabetes is a member. What's Manjaro help? Helps your body regulate blood sugar. And can help you eat less food. Plus, Manjaro less than 7% and people lost up to 25 pounds. Don't take Manjaro if you're allergic to it, or if you or someone in your family have hereditary thyroid cancer or multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2. Stop and call your doctor right away if you have an allergic reaction, a lump or swelling in your neck, severe stomach pain, or vision changes. Serious side effects, including headache, bruising, or bladder problems. Taking Manjaro with meforminamine or insulin may cause low blood sugar. Tell your doctor if you're nursing, pregnant, medically, or taking birth control pills, and before you schedule a prescription medication. Side effects include itching, diarrhea, vomiting, constipation, and muscle changes. With Manjaro, pay as little as $25 per month. Ask your doctor about Manjaro.